How to sync audio with video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import both your video and external audio files into the media pool. Next, drag both the video clip and the separate audio file onto the timeline. They should be roughly aligned in terms of where the audio starts. Now, select both clips by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking on each one in the media pool panel. Then, right-click and choose Audio Sync, and then Auto Sync Audio from the menu. You will see several options here, but for most cases, waveform works best. DaVinci Resolve will now analyze the audio from both files and match them up automatically using their waveform patterns. You can also do this by selecting both the video and audio clips, right-clicking, and choosing Link Clips to manually link them and check the sync. After that, check if the audio is in perfect alignment by playing the timeline. If the audio matches the video correctly, then your sync is successful. Finally, you can fine-tune the sync manually if needed by zooming into the timeline and adjusting the audio clip slightly left or right until it perfectly matches the video. And that's it. Now you know how to sync audio with video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.